What's up guys, it's Johnny. Thank you for joining me on another video. Today we're going to be unboxing these kicker tweeters. These are some small tweeters, guys. They're about 1.5 inches. They're 150 watt max, 20 millimeters. I need some tweeters because the Honda Civic has some tweeters that are busted. They don't work, so I picked these up. We're going to go ahead and put them on the car, see how they sound. And that's what's included, guys. You got 2 tweeters, 2 brackets. And man, let's just open them up. All right, guys, once you take the speakers out the box, this is what you have. You have the owner's manual, instructions. Got the box with the 2 tweeters in it and everything else. All right, guys. So here it is, guys. This is what you have when you unbox the actual kicker tweeters. Let me just set this up real quick. Give me a second, guys. Hold up. All right, guys. Once you take it out the box, this is what you have. I went ahead and just like organized everything so you guys can see it. So there's 2 sets of everything, guys. Check it out. This here is the actual tweeter. You have the tweeter that connects to the crossover, that connects to the speaker. And what I did, guys, is I took it out of the bag. I connected this, and that's right over here, guys. That's what this looks like. So you just connect this to the speaker, and that's pretty much it. You have your screws here. Over here you have this part here. If you want to mount your tweeters onto this, it also comes with the 3 plastic moldings that go in there, and they're actually at an angle. So if you wanted to mount the speaker at an angle, or you can swivel it around, you can do that. This is what it looks like when it's opened. I went ahead and hooked that up like I said. And then you have over here what it looks like when you get it out of the box. It's 2 of everything. So this is one half, this is the other half, open and closed. But that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, they're basic tweeters. This is basic. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the car. Once they're on there, I'll go ahead and let you guys check them out. Right now, the ones that I have don't work. That's the reason why I'm gonna put these in, and we'll check them out once they're on the car. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.